The idea that there is no universal moral truth is basically the idea that morality isn't real. It's really more of our opinion about it. There is no moral truth. There's moral nihilism, which basically just says, it comes from the word for annihilate. Nihil means nothing, and if you annihilate something, you make it nothing, you destroy it. If you annihilate something, and that's the same word. And so moral nihilism, or nihilism, sometimes they'll say, is the idea that there is moral nothingness, that there is no morality, it's nothingness, there's no need to try to have moral claims, it's just, there is nothing moral, there's just moral nothingness. You then get a level of which there is moral truth, but it's just completely individualized, that I decide for myself, you decide for yourself, and there's really no discussion between them. It is a step above moral nihilism, but both of them essentially are going without moral truth, without any way of actually communicating these beyond oneself. With a moral nihilist or moral nihilist would, in the end, they wouldn't even try to claim that they have any moral truth, that even an individual can't have moral beliefs. But a moral subjectivist is saying, well, it's each individual their own. And that's sort of where we get a very basic level. If we go on our spectrum is there truth in moral claims, and we go with no, these two would be way over at the one side. Then you move back to the opposite side, and you get moral absolutism. In the middle, you get ethical relativism. And so this is sort of the extreme, but it is getting at that question, is there moral truth?